Hi Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Jin here from Mecca HQ. Today I'm doing a minis challenge where I do my entire face with only minis and travel size products. Everything on my face is right here. So I'm starting with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I love priming my skin before any makeup application, and this is a great size to chuck in your handbag. So next up, foundation. This is the Hourglass Vanish stick. I love how it's so cute and compact. You can just apply it on the go with your fingers, but today I'm using a brush. Next, everyone's best friend, concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This mini size is great. You can just take it anywhere and touch up whenever you need. I apply this concealer under my eyes and around the sides of my nose where I get redness. And I also apply a bit to my eyelids as a eyeshadow base. And now for eyes. Everybody's favorite, Naked Heat, has been shrunk into Naked Petite Heat. Look at these amazing warm tones. You can do so much with this and it fits in my face. So today I'm going to go in with Vibrate all over my eyelid to set the concealer that we placed down. So now that the eyes are set, I'm going to deepen up the crease a little and use Hot Spell and Heist mixed together. So I've just got it on a fluffy brush and I'm blending it into the crease to create some warmth and definition across my eyelid. And to blow out the smokiness even more, I'm going to take the same shade and smudge it under my lash line. And now for the fun part, glitter. I can now take my favourite liquid eyeshadows with me everywhere. Stila have released their best-selling Glitter and Glow eyeshadows in minis. I'm absolutely obsessed with Rose Gold Retro, so I'm going to use it in my inner corner and outer to add a touch of glam. So for lashes, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara Mini. It's a bestseller for a reason. It's great to plump up your lashes, especially to go with this glitter look. And now for highlighter, I'm using the Mecca Cosmetica Enlighten Balm. It's great, it gives me a really dewy finish. And how cute is this baby bronzer? Aww. And now for the finishing touch, lips, because no look is complete without them. And this is a trio of the Stila Stay All Day Minis. I'm going to use this one, Patina. So there you have it guys, this glam look created with just minis. I'm definitely going to keep all this stuff in my bag. You never know when you're going to need to look glam. Tell me what look you want to see next in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.